Hello, and welcome to this brief introduction to NGAGE for Microsoft Teams. This will give you all the metrics and insights you need to understand, improve, and sustain your organization's adoption of and engagement with Microsoft Teams. It reports on all user interactions with calls, meetings, private messaging, and all in-channel features. It also tracks sharing, viewing, and downloading of associated files in SharePoint Online. And if you're using Intapp Workspaces as your governance and provisioning tool, you'll also get insights into usage of your custom templates and tracking of Intapp's automatic lifecycle management functionality. These KPIs give you the state and direction of travel of your team's environment across all features and will typically always be your first port of call. You can choose your time frame and compare and contrast the metrics by any organisation segment. You can then go a level deeper on this usage patterns page. And here in this bubble map you'll find some of the best insights into Teams engagement, which we define as the product of both adoption and activity levels. In this example you can see that technology is the largest bubble and therefore the largest department, but it's also the least engaged, because it's in the bottom left-hand corner, because it has relatively low adoption and activity levels. Here we have a set of KPIs dedicated to calls and meetings. For some in the new world of remote working, the relation between average video minutes and average audio minutes is something to care about and manage upwards, as use of video is seen as a strong mitigator for the near extinction of in-person meetings. Again, we can dig deeper into everything you could want to know around the organisation, attendance and behaviour around calls and meetings. From here on in, it's about teams themselves and in-channel behaviours. Note, team owners can be given a version of this automatically scoped just to their teams. These KPIs are self-explanatory and will help you keep right on top of your adoption and engagement agenda. And this bubble map gives multiple great insights into your team's world, with the highly engaged teams trending to the top right and ones needing intervention and evaluation trending to the bottom left. And as always, the detail around who, where and how collaboration is happening is always available. This has only been a glimpse of the value NGAGE can bring to your investment in Microsoft Teams. Please do get in touch to find out more. Thank you.